Hi friends, my name is Ishwar. Welcome to Teachment app. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel Anal Guru 4. Okay, and download Teachment app. Okay, classes running in daily 2 hours in Teachment app, like general awareness and quantitative aptitude. Okay, I will discuss daily 1 hour and 1 hour. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel Anal Guru 4. Next, I will go to today topic ratio and proportion. Ratios and proportion. Okay, this proportion in this chapter I will discuss basic level questions. Okay, let's go. Okay, if A is to B is 7 is to 9 and B is to C equal to 15 is to 7, then what is the A is to C value? Okay, first of all I will written as ratios. A is to B is 7 is to 9. Next, B is to C 15 is to 7. Okay, this is the ratios of A is to B and B is to C. First of all we can find out A is to C. Okay, in this case we can multiply cross section. Okay, multiply cross section. For suppose here 7 is to 50. Wait, I will written as B is to C 15 is to 7. Here first I will multiply these two numbers. 7 is to 15. Next, these two numbers 9 is to 15. Next, these two numbers 9 is to 9 into 7. This is the question. This is the formation. Here we can find out A is to C. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is C. A is to B is to C ratios here. 7 is to 15 in here we can find out only A is to C. A is to C value 7 is to 15 and C value 9 is to 7. Here 7 7 cancel. Okay. 3 5 ja 3 3 ja. So answer is 5 is to 3. First option. Option number 1. Option number 1. Your option first option. Next I will go to next question. Okay. Wait. I will discuss again here. You can see this type of questions. A is to B. You can write separate ratios. A is to B equal to 7 is to 9. B is to C equal to 5 is to 7. 7 into 15. 7 into 15. First point A. Next first ratio A. Second ratio 9 is to 15. 9 is 9 5 ja. Sorry 9 in 9 5 9 15 ja. Second multiplication. Next third multiplication here 9 into 7. 9 into 7 63. Okay, we can find out only A is to C. A is to C. A is 7 into 15. I will return as 7 into 15 is to 9 into 7. Here 7 7 is common. 7 7 cancel. 3 5 ja 3 3 ja. So we can find answer option number A. Next I will go to next question. Okay. Here x is to 5. Not xy here. X is to y is equal to 1 is to 3 and y is to z is equal to 1 is to 2. This is 1 is to 3. This is 1 is to 3. 2. Okay, again I will discuss again same 1 into 1 1 into 1 1 3 into 1 3 into 1 3. Next 3 into 2 6. 1 is to 3 is to 6. This is the ratio of x is to y is to z. X is to y is to z. 1 is to 3 is to 6. Third option. Next I will go to next question. Here p by q, next r by s, next t by u equal to 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Okay, here I will write down p value equal to 2q by 3. Next r value equal to 2s by 3. Next this is r value. Next t value is equal to 2u by 3. 2u by 3. We can find out here MP plus NR plus OT is to MQ plus NS plus OU is equal to MP plus, I will write directly here, MP is equal to M plus in place of M plus M into P plus write down here, P in the place of 2Q by 3. Next to NR, R in the place of N into 2S by 3. Next O in the place of T in the place of, sir, 2U divided by 3. 2U divided by 3. Okay, 2U divided by 3. Wait for 1 minute. I write down here small letters. Here P by Q, R by S, next to T by U is equal to 2 is to 3. Here P is equal to 2Q by 3. Next R is equal to 2S by 3. Next T is equal to 2U by 3. This is the value of PRT. I can written as this ratio. M P in the place of 2Q divided by 3. Next N in the place, R in the place of 2S by 3. Next O in the place of 2U divided by 3. Overall MQ plus NS plus OU. I'll will take common 2 by 3. Only 2 by 3. Here this value is 2 by 3. This value is 2 by 3. Here wait for 1 minute. 2 by 3. Here I converted as 2 by 3 common. Here 2 by 3 common. MQ plus NS plus OU. NS plus OU. Here denominator also same. MQ plus NS plus OU. Okay. These two cancel. You can find out the answer 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Okay. Here answer is 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3, 2 by 3 cancel. MQ, MQ, NS, NS. Total MQ, NS, OU. Same answer. Same value here. 2 is to 3. Option number 3. Next I will go to next question. Here A is to B, C is to D, E is to F. 1 is to 2. Then PA plus QC plus RE equal to PB plus QD plus RF. Same as previous question here. Same as previous question here. Will be written as A by B, C by D, next E by F is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay. A is I will written as, wait. Okay. Wait for some disturbance. Okay. Here B I will written as B. B is equal to 2A. Next D is equal to 2C. Next F is equal to 2A. This is the value of BDF. BDF. Okay. I will written as numerator PA plus QC plus RA divided by PB. PB in the place of P into 2A. Next QB in the place of QD plus of 2C plus RF in the place of 2E. 2E. This is the value of E. I can common here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 here PA plus QC plus RE divided by 2A plus QC plus RE. Here this value is cancelled. We can find out the answer 1 is to 2. Option number 4. Next value I will go to x is to y. X is to y is equal to 3 is to 1. X here x is to y is equal to 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Find out here x cube minus y cube division of x cube plus y cube. Okay, 3 cube minus 1, 2 cube, 3 cube plus 1. 3 cube minus 27 minus 1, 26. 27 plus 1, 28. 2 13 ja, 2 14 ja. Answer is 13 is to 14. Option number 1. Next I will go to next question. Here I will discuss topic. First proportional, mean proportional. Mean proportional means second proportional and third proportional. Okay, and third proportional. Let x is the first proportional of a b c, then x is to a equal to, this is means equal to 4 dots here, equal to b is to c. Here we can written as x by a is equal to b by c. This is the first proportional of ratio and proportion. Okay, first proportional in ratio and proportion chapter. Okay, x is to a equal to b is to c. These 4 dots are equal to indicate in equal to x is to a equal to b is to c, x by a equal to b by c. Next, mean proportional. I will discuss second proportional. Okay, here I will discuss second proportional. Let x be the mean proportion between a and b. Here xb is the mean proportion between a and b. We can written as mean proportional a by x divided by equal to x by b, x by b. Okay. Here I will multiply cross multiplication here. X square is equal to ab, x is equal to root ab. This is the mean proportion of ratio and proportion, second proportion. Okay, first proportional is x by a equal to b by c. Second proportional is equal to x is equal to root a by. This is the important for your examination. Okay, directly asked in the question, find out second proportional, find out third proportional, and find out first proportional. This is the question will be asked in your examination. Next, I will go to next questions. Let x be the third proportional in a and b. Then a by b is equal to b by x. A by b is equal to b by x. Here I b square divided by, sorry, okay, b square divided by a. B square divided by a. This is the third proportional. This is important to your examination. Very very important. Third proportional. Previous many number of asked in examination. Okay, x is equal to b square divided by a. Okay. Next I will go to next question. Okay, the fourth proportional to 0.12 comma 0.21 comma 8. Find out. Here asked the question. Fourth proportional between. I will discuss here fourth proportional. Let x be the fourth proportional of ABC. X be the fourth proportional of ABC. Then find out a is to be a by, sorry, a by b is equal to c by x. This is the fourth proportional. This is the fourth proportional. X be the fourth proportional. Okay, let's go the question answer. Here a is, this is a 0.21 12. Next b is a 0.21, c is the 8. Here a is 0.12 divided by 0.21 is equal to 8 by x. 0.0 cancel, 12 by 21. Okay, 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja, 7 3 7 ja, 21. Here x is equal to 14. This is the fourth proportional. This is the fourth proportional of 0.12 and 0.21 and 8. Answer is 14. Answer is 14. Fourth proportional I will again discuss here. Let x be the fourth proportional of a comma b comma c. Then a is to be equal to c is to x. A by b is equal to c by x. This is the fourth proportional. Okay, x be the fourth proportional. Next I will go to next question. Okay, this is the ratio between 2 power 1.5 is to 2 power 0.5 is the same as 2 power 1.5 is to 2 power 0.5. Okay, I can be written as 2 power 1.5 divided by 10, 15 divided by 10, 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 15 divided by 10, here I will written as 2 power 3 by 2 and 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, this numerator I will written as 2 power minus 1 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2 into 2 power minus 1 by 2. Here bases are equal and I will add powers. 2 power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here 2 power 2 by 2. 2 power 2 by 2 divided by 1. 2 power 2 by 2 equal to 1. 2 is to 1. Final answer, we can get the answer 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. This is the final answer. 2 is to 1. Next I will go to next question. If m is to n equal to 3 is to 2, then 4m plus 5n is to 4m minus 5n is equal to okay, here I will write it as m is to n. M is to n is equal to 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. We can find out 4m divided by 5n, 4m minus 5n. This is the, we can find out the value. Here m by n is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, here I will common either m or n. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఇద్దరు ఎం అన్నా కామన్ తీయండి, ఎన్ అన్నా కామన్ తీయండి. ఫర్ సపోజ్ నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఎంఇస్టు ఎన్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ఎంఇస్టు ఎన్ ఎంత అన్నాడు, ఇక్కడ 3/2 అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ఎంఇస్టు ఎన్ 3/2 అన్నాడు. ఫర్ సపోజ్ నేను ఎం కామన్ తీసానంటే ఏమవుతుంది, 5 వెయిట్ ఎన్ కామన్ తీస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 4 ఇంటూ ఎం బై ఎన్ ప్లస్ 5. నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్ కామన్ తీస్తే 4 ఇంటూ ఎం బై ఎన్ మైనస్ 5 అవుతుంది. ఎన్ క్యాన్సిల్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఎం ప్లేస్ లో ఎన్ పెడతాను అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 4 ఇంటూ 3/2 ప్లస్ 5. ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ లేదు, ఒకసారి నేను నీట్గా రాస్తాను చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఫోర్ ఇంటూ 3/2 ప్లస్ 5, 4 ఇంటూ 3/2 డివైడెడ్ బై మైనస్ 5. Okay, this is the question. ఎక్కడున్నాం, ఇక్కడున్నాం. m is equal to 3/2. Next 4m plus 5n divided by 4m minus 5n. I will common as n. 4 into m by n plus 5. ఇక్కడ కామన్ 5 తీసాను చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ 4 ఇంటూ m by n minus 5. ఓకే, హియర్ 4 ఇంటూ 3/2 plus 5, 4 into 3/2 minus 5. 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 6 plus 5 11. 6 into minus 5 1. Our answer is, final answer is 11 is to 1. Next I will go to next question. Okay, this is important. Carefully listen carefully. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. Next B is to C is equal to 5 is to 7. Next C is to D is equal to 8 is to 9. 8 is to 9. Okay, listen carefully. You can find out A is to D. A is to D. First point, first step here. These numbers are cross multiplication. This change color. Okay, 3 is to 5 is to 8. 3 is to 5 is to 8. 3 is to 5, 3 into 5 into 8, not is to here. 3 into 5 into 8 is 2. Next 4 into 5 into 8. 4 into 5 into 8. 4 into 5 into 8. Next point here. Next 4 into 7 into 8. 4 into 7 into 8. 4 into 7 into 8. Next ratio 4 into 7 into 9. 4 into 7 into 9. This is the A is to B is to C is to D. A, this, wait, I will change my color. Here, A is to B is to C is to D. Okay, we can find out only A is to D. A is to D. Here 3 into 5 into 8. 3 into 5 into 8. 4 into 7 into 9. 4 into 7 into 9. Okay, 4 2 ja. Okay, 4 2 ja. Next 3 3 ja. 3 3 ja. 3 3 ja. 5 2 ja 10. Next 7 3 ja 21. Answer is 10 is to 21. I will I will discuss again here. Please see. This fourth ratio is very important. We can find out A is to B is to C. Please listen carefully. For suppose A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. Next B is to C is equal to 5 is to 7. Next C is to D is equal to 8 is to 9. Okay, 8 is to 9. First step here, this point 3 is to 5 is to 8. 3 into 5 into 8. This is A ratio. Next second step 4 into 5 into 8. 4 into 5 into 8. 4 into, change my color, 4 into 5 into 8. This is the second proportion, second ratio. Next third ratio, C is to 4 into 7 into 8. 4 into 7 into 8. Fourth D proportion, 4 into 7 into 9. 4 into 7 into 9. Okay, we can find out only A is to D. 3 into 5 into 8 is to 4 into 7 into 9. Okay, 4 into 7 into 9. Okay, 4 2 ja 3 3 ja. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 2 10. 7 into 3 21. So answer is 10 is to 21. Next I will go to 10th question. This is important your examination. Please listen carefully. A is to B is to, A is to B equal to 2 by 9 is to 1 is to 3. Next B is to C is equal to 2 by 7 is to 1 5 by 14, and D is to C is equal to 7 by 9 is to 7 3 is to 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Okay, here I will find out only ratio. 3 3 ja 9. You can find out A is to B 2 is to 3. Next 7 2 ja 7 2 ja 14. So B is to C answer is B is to C here 4 is to 5. Next 5 2 ja 5 2 ja D is to C answer is 7 is to 6. 7 is to 6. Okay, we can find out A is to B is to C is to D. This is the value. For suppose I will written as here A is to B, B is to C, C is to A. A is to B, B is to C, C is to A. You can find out A values here. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 7 is to 6. Here 2 is to 3. Next 4 is to 5, 7 is to 6. 4 is to 5. This is 4. 7 is to 6. First we can find out here. 2 is to 4 is 2 into 4 into 7. A is to B is to C is to D. We can find out the values ratio. A is to B is to D. 2 is to 4. 2 into 4 into 7. 2 into 4 into 7. This is first value. Next second value. 3 into 4 into 7. 3 into 4 into 7. Next third value, C value. 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. You can find out fourth ratio. Next fifth final value, D value. 3 into 5 into 8. Okay, I can multiply here. 2 into 4, 8. 8 7 ja 56. Next 3 into 4, 12. 12 7 ja 84. Next 3 into 5, 15. 15 7 ja 70 plus 35, 105. Next 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 8, 120. Okay, 120. I can simplify here. Okay, 56 is to 84 is to 105 is to 120. The answer is, okay, again I will discuss here. Simplify here. కరెక్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నామా లేదా ఇక్కడ? ఓకే, 2 జా 6. ఓకే, 7 is to 6. 3 3 జా 2 is to 3. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 2 జా 4 is to 5. ఓకే, 4 is to 5. ఓకే, దీన్ని ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? 8 into 7 రాయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ 12 into 7 రాసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ 15 is to 7 రాసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ 40 into 30 రాసుకోవచ్చు. మళ్ళా 8 into 15 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, 8 into 15 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఓకే, ఇది ఒకసారి నేను ట్రై చేసి చెప్తాను. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు ట్రై చేసి నాకు ఒకసారి కామెంట్ రూపంలో ట్రై చేయండి. ఒకసారి వెయిట్, ఇక్కడ నేనే ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఆగండి ఒకసారి. క్వశ్చన్ అనేది రాంగ్ వస్తుంది. A is to B అంటే 2/9 is to దీన్ని ఏం రాయొచ్చు? 3 3 జా రాయొచ్చు. 2 is to 3 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 7 is to 2/7 డివైడెడ్ బై 5/14 వస్తుంది. 14/5 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 4 is to 5 కరెక్టే. నెక్స్ట్ 5 is to 2, 7/7 is to 6 అవుతుంది. కరెక్ట్ గానే చేస్తాం. ఇంకొకసారి ట్రై చేద్దాం అండి. A is to B, B is to C, C is to A. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 6, 7 is to 6. Sorry. 2 into 4, 2 into 4 into 7. Next 3 into 4 into 7. Next 3 into 5 into 6. Next 3 into 5 into 7 ikkada. 2 into 4, 3 into 5. Next 3 into 5 into 6. The main. Okay. ఒకటి మాత్రమే ఆడుంది ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ గా. ఎయిట్ 7 జా 56. నెక్స్ట్ 12 7 జా 70 ప్లస్ 12 84. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా పోతుందేమో చూద్దాం ఒక్క నిమిషం. 8 into 7, 12 into 7, 15 into 7. నెక్స్ట్ 12 into 15 into 6. 15 into 6. చూడండి ఒకసారి. పోవట్లేదు అసలుకి. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు ట్రై చేసి నాకు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ మ్యాక్సిమం ఇదే ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ 14:16:24:30:35. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ లో మేము ముందుకు వస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేనే ఇది ఇంకోసారి ఇంకో క్లాస్ లో ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చెప్తాను. ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఒకసారి రివైండ్ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ తీసుకున్నాం మనం. వాల్యూస్ అనేది మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్. క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇలానే అడుగుతాడు ఎగ్జామ్ లో. కెన్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇన్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, 3 3 జా 9. So 2:3 answer. First option is A is to B is equal to 2:3. You can find out B is to C. 7 2 ja 14. So B is to C is equal to 4:5. నెక్స్ట్ D is to C. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ పాయింటే నేను కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యింది. ఇది ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. మీ ఎగ్జామ్లో మీ మ్యాక్సిమం ఇలానే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తాడు వాడు. ఇక్కడ ఉండాల్సింది మనం రాసుకోవాల్సింది C/D రాసుకోవాలా. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది B/C కదా, దీన్ని లింకప్ ఏమొస్తుంది C/D అని రాసుకోవాలి. కానీ నేను అంతసేపు నుంచి ఏం చేస్తున్నా, D/C చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను, అందుకే రావట్లేదు క్వశ్చన్. సో ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది చూడండి. 5 2 ja 2. సో D/C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7:6. నాకు కావాల్సింది ఏమి C/D కావాలా. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, రివర్స్ అవుతుంది, 6:7. ఇప్పుడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఓకే, A/B is equal to B/C is equal to C/D. C/D 7:6. మళ్ళీ అదైనా రాస్తున్నా 6:7. 6:7 చూడండి. ఓకే, ఇది మన ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ టైం B/C 4:5. 4:5. ఇది 9 కాదు 4 చూడండి, 4:5. నెక్స్ట్ 2:3. ఈ రేషియోస్ అనేది నీట్ గా రాసుకోండి. ఇట్లా అయితేనే మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలరు. ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ 3 నంబర్స్ ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ 3 నంబర్స్ 2 into 4 into 6. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 2 into ఏ వాల్యూ 2 into 4 into 6. ఓకే, ఏ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది, 2 into 4 into 6 అలానే పెట్టండి, 8 into 6. నెక్స్ట్ బి వాల్యూ చూడండి. బి వాల్యూ 3 into 4 into 6. 3 into 4 into 6. 3 into 4 into 6 ఏమవుతుంది, 12 into 6 వేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ సి వాల్యూ, గ్యాప్ అవసరం లేదు. బి వాల్యూ 3 into 4 into 6. 3 into 4 into 6 ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ 12 into 6. నెక్స్ట్ సి వాల్యూ 3 into 6 into, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 3 into 6 into 6. 3 into 6 into 6. 3 into 6 into 6. నెక్స్ట్ డి వాల్యూ, దీస్ 3 values 3 into 6 into 7. 3 into 6 into 7. సో 3 into 6 into 7. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 6 అనేది కామన్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి 6 క్యాన్సల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా కామన్ ఉందా, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కామన్ లేదు. 8:12:18:21. 18:21. This is the answer. Sometime 30:30. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా రాంగ్ రాసుకున్నాను చూడండి ఒకసారి. 4:5 స్వామి, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రాంగ్ రాసుకున్నా. ఒకసారి చూడండి ఒకసారి రేషియో అనేది రాంగ్ రాసుకుంటుంటే ఎంత రాంగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నాను. సారీ, ఇంకోసారి నెక్స్ట్ మిస్టేక్ అవ్వదు. వెయిట్ ఫర్ 1 minute, మళ్ళీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. మీకే ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది అండి. 1 నిమిషం చూడండి. ఇక్కడ 4:5, ఇక్కడ 6 కాదు 6 వేసుకొని చేస్తున్నా. ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 into 4 into 6. 2 into 4 into 6. B value is equal to 3 4 6. 3 into 4 into 6. C value వచ్చి 3 into 5 into 6. 3 into 5 into 6. D value వచ్చి 3 into 5 into 7. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి బాగా. 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 3 2 ja. సో 2 into 4 4 ja 16. నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ 8 3 ja 24. నెక్స్ట్ 10 3 ja 30. నెక్స్ట్ 7 5 ja 35. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 16:24:30:35. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. 16:24:30:35 ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది అనుకుంటా. ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ 2. ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ 2 16:20:24:30:35 వచ్చింది అనుకుంటా. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్లో టుమారో కలుస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. స్టే ట్యూన్.